Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. In today's video, I'll be cleaning under this kitchen sink. This is part 3 in the kitchen series. Let's get started. As with any cleaning videos, the first thing that I'll need to do is to take everything out and then wipe under the counter here and then repack or reorganize the items here. First, let me say a big thank you to all our subscribers. I am always so appreciative of your support. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here as well. I've just wiped out under the counter here and lined it with the new liner. And as you can see, there's not much space. To the right, we have the 2 pull-out trash cans. To the left, we have the Rayne Water Softner System. And so I just have the middle area to work with, but that's where I'm going to repack the items in that caddy. Let me go ahead and repack these items back in the caddy. First, let me get some of these and just put enough for the week in here. Also, some of these as well. Then I'll put the Dawn liquid soap. I also have the pink stuff, which I'm going to put in here as well. Kitchen multi-purpose cleaner. Barkeeper's Friend. Good old Ajax. Dawn Power Wash. As you can see, everything is back under the kitchen sink here. The container that I used is from the local office supply store. It has 3 compartments. Compartment number 1 has the extra sponges. Compartment number 2 has the extra washcloths. Compartment number 3, which is the largest, has the extra supplies. It has the extra trash bags, Barkeeper's Friend, Ajax, oven cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, and some other things. So these are the items that I have in this small but contained space here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really look forward to seeing you next week, part 4 in the series. Again, if you like organizational videos, would love for you to subscribe to this channel as I do weekly organizational videos here. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Next week, we'll be cleaning and organizing the refrigerator, and I really look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.